Think your iPhone is top-notch? Let's make sure it's the real deal. First, check the packaging and accessories. Apple's boxes are sturdy with crisp images and text. Poor printing or loose packaging. Red flag. Next, verify the serial number and IMEI. Go to Settings General. About, then enter the serial number on Apple's check coverage page. Dial 06 to get the IMEI and compare it with the box and SIM tray. All numbers should match. Now, let's talk build quality. A real iPhone feels solid with no loose parts. Buttons should click firmly and the Apple logo on the back should be perfectly aligned. Notice any rough edges or misaligned logos? Could be a fake. Check the software. Genuine iPhones run iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and try using Siri. If Siri doesn't work, you might have a counterfeit. Still unsure? Visit an authorized Apple service center. Better safe than sorry. And there you have it. Simple steps to ensure your iPhone is the real deal. Happy teching!